Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. So now you guys know that NABARD graded 2025 notification is out, right? And you will be having your phase 1 examination on 20th of December 2025. That means we can say we are having very limited number of days to cover all the syllabus to revise everything in a very good manner. And how should we pursue further so that we will be capable of attempting maximum number of questions in our examination with accuracy. The thing that matter is accuracy, whether it is about the qualifying section or about the merit section. So what we had decided that Olive Board is coming forward with a very important rapid revision batch, and that is very important for your phase 1 examination preparation. So in this rapid revision batch, we are providing you the high intensity and we can say the good quality content, that is all your syllabus will be covered in 53 lectures. Okay, there will be the rapid revision, and like most of the sessions will be of more number of minutes, like the duration of the lectures will be good, so that you will be capable of getting everything that we are going to discuss in this rapid revision sessions. Okay, so this rapid revision session will include the portions like, okay, there will be the portions like 10 live practice sessions for your quants reasoning and English, so that you will be capable of revising the important topics of QRE. There will be two computer master classes, one decision making master class. There will be five PIB master class sessions for August to December PIB coverage. Five ARD current affair master classes covering the all the ARD reports and the current affairs sessions. 10 sessions for covering 500 important ARD static MCQs. 10 sessions for covering 1000 ESI MCQs, which will include the schemes, ESI reports, and the budget. And there will be 10 sessions for covering 800 general awareness MCQs from August to December 2025. And you guys will be capable of like watching this particular sessions for 24 into 7. Okay, and that's how you can do your revisions in a very good manner. And other than that, you will be provided with four monthly downloadable magazines for each month, June 2025 onwards, and they will be downloadable PDFs for each classes, so that you can do your revisions in a very good manner. And as after completing all this portion, what you need to practice the portion, that how much you had grabbed, how much the things are in your in your mind. Okay, so 10 phase 1 full length mock test will be provided to you. 40 NABARD phase 1 specific sectional test will be provided to you, and this complete rapid revision batch will be in English medium. All the content will be in English medium, and all the explanations will be in English medium as well. And this rapid revision batch will be valid till phase 2 examination. So, aspirant, this is a high time, like your preparation should be up to the mark. Okay, and that's how this rapid revision batch will help you to cover all the important things before examination with the in a limited time. Okay, so if you are thinking of covering all the syllabus in a very good manner before the examination, this rapid revision batch is available on the application of Oliveboard. Go and enroll in this batch and start your preparations with the team of Oliveboard. Thank you so much and all the very best.